how to lock iPhone gallery with Face ID. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you lock iPhone gallery with your Face ID. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the shortcut application on your iPhone. Alright, so after you open this shortcut application, you'll have to tap on this plus icon just at the top right corner. Alright, so from here in this hospital you'll have to search for lock screen. Alright, so after you find the lock screen, make sure that you have installed this settings from here, and after you done this from here, you'll have to just tap on this automation option just at the bottom of your screen. Okay, so from this automation section you'll have to go with the option photos, so simply tap on this Home photos. Alright, so simply from here you'll have to go the option Home, and from this section Home you'll have to choose the options like is open, and on the other hand you'll have to choose the options like run immediately. So after you make the changes from here, you'll have to just click on the done option just at the top right corner. Alright, so after you make the changes from here, you'll have to just close it from here, and after you trying to open the Photos app, the screen will lock automatically on your iPhone. So after you trying to open Photos, and from there you'll have to verify with your Face ID. So this is the easiest and simplest method to lock iPhone gallery with your Face ID. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.